every single channel on financial television is talking about this fall's recession. For Caspa investors, we are giddy with joy. It's during a recession that there's an increased demand for efficiency. Corporations are getting together and having board meetings looking at ways to become more cost effective. This opens the door for digital transformation, accelerating the adoption of disruptive technologies such as Kaspa. This video contains a deep dive into Caspa's solutions applied in the real world with real companies, as well as a deeper look at monetary policy, hence the compound word, crypto for technology and currency for monetary policy. Going a step deeper inside VIP, we'll combine this fundamental research with the repeating trendline system and come up with some trading plans. More on that in a moment. As the recession unfolds, corporations look internally, altering the way they do business in order to adjust their bottom line. This isn't going to take place with your mom and pop yogurt stands at first. It begins with the biggest players in the field. Hence, Max Kaiser went on InfoWars making a prediction that the energy sector, the biggest player in the entire business world, would start to change the way that they're doing business over the next 24 months, incorporating cryptocurrency as a cost-saving solution. That story was released a week before Alex Jones even got his hands on it, right on this channel, utilizing the 24-point research
So
system.
it's just like software ate the world during the 70s and 80s, and every company in the world became essentially a software company. You know, car companies are a software company, airlines are a software company. All value will become priced in Bitcoin. Everything will be priced in Bitcoin, particularly energy. I would say the next big prediction, I'll make a prediction here, is that within 24 months, all the major global energy contracts will be priced in Bitcoin.
Gone more in depth and found out exactly which crypto project the energy sector is looking to partner with. It's Kaspa. Through the KII Institute, the chairman of the board, Paul Vincent, also sits at the head of the DII, containing strategic partners as large as none other than Shell. Going even deeper into the history of BlockDAG, we can find the initial BlockDAG project, in fact, wasn't Kaspa. It was another one running in the Middle East titled Quitmir, where ASICs were actually placed on top of oil refining, oil drilling units, and the excess gas utilized to power them. The energy sector, being the largest entity in the business world, is spearheading solutions for supply chain management. The work that the KII is doing right now, creating solutions utilizing Kaspa, over time will reshape the way that the world does business. First, the energy sector starts saving money during this recession. The rest of the business world is feeling an increased demand for efficiency. This is opening the door to accelerating adoption of market disrupting technology like Kaspa. Akin to Steve Jobs and Apple designing the framework for the modern day home computer, the work that the KII is doing with supply chain management and Kaspa in the energy sector will eventually be repackaged and repurposed until it trickles down the entire economic pyramid, reaching the Froger yogurt stand on the corner. And it's the recessionary period that puts the pressure on these businesses to start to adapt change, to look for innovative technologies such as Kaspa to alter their bottom line. All this information can be transformed into trading plans. Inside VIP, we activated a short trade on Tau Bit Sensor right as it failed to reach the $300 mark. The biggest difference between our VIP group and all of our competitors is each trade we conduct not only comes out with a plan in advance, elaborate detail on why the trade is being exercised with a combination of fundamentals specific to that project's fundamentals in the monetary policy section, and the repeating trendline system. Cryptocurrencies, different from the stock market, have strict emission and halving schedules. This creates massive fluctuations on the chart. We can see this on Bitcoin every 4 years. After the halving, there's a spike that takes place approximately 500 days preceding. Zoom in on briefer timescales, that fluctuation actually creates a repeating trendline effect. Tau bit sensor price is clearly trapped in a repeating downward x-axis price channel. Back to the Kaspa chart. Once again, price is trapped in a repeating. That's right. It's happened over and over again off the February spike, off the November spike, even the handle of the cup. These angles are all identical. Using an augmented version of the Wyckoff method, 11.5 cold storage, the direct bottom of this recent downward repeating price channel was located. Caspa's trapped in the exact same channel right now. Rate cuts are on the table for September's FOMC meeting. Looking at the history of Bitcoin with the prior rate cut period was 2019. We can see in anticipation of rate cuts, Bitcoin rallied with strength, identically to Caspa's recent chart. The first Bitcoin rate cut meeting went well, causing a spike in the market. The preceding two actually led to flash crashes on Bitcoin chart. Historically, looking beyond 2019, other rate cuts for risk on markets were 2008 and 2001, where the stock market went sideways and slightly downward. Therefore, as rate cuts start in September, and they're projected to be more than one for this fall and early winter, the markets of all risk on, from stock to crypto, will go sideways and slightly downward. There are multiple opportunities to take advantage of briefer time frame windows. Up and coming trading plans will be as brief as 72 hours. The cherry on top, locating the exact bottom of when the incoming dip is coming for Caspa and other key cryptocurrencies, utilizing the 24-point checklist system, which made the allocations to the energy sector and Caspa before Max Kaiser, Alex Jones, and InfoWars could break the news. We've located some artificial intelligent projects that are looking to steal a lot of thunder, even from BitSensor, during the 2025 bull run. For $47, this VIP group is an absolute steal. Thanks for checking out this video, guys. Good luck in the up and coming markets. We'll catch you on the next one.